Jingle and twinkle, build a snowman. In a forest of snow, white and so bright, lived two young reindeer, full of delight. Their names were Twinkle and Jingle, you see, and they had a special task, as happy as could be. Their job this year, oh, what a thrill, to build a snowman atop the hill. But Twinkle and Jingle didn't know how, so they asked their mum and dad right here and now. Their parents smiled with love so true. We'll show you how, it's what we'll do. Roll the snow into balls so round, stack them up, and soon you'll astound. Twinkle and Jingle, they tried their best, but the snowballs fell. Such a tiny test. We can't do it, they sadly said, but their parents cheered them on instead. Patience and learning, that's the key. Just keep trying, you'll soon see. With each mistake, you'll learn and grow, and before you know it, you'll steal the show. So Twinkle and Jingle, with hearts so light, rolled and stacked with all their might. They shaped the snowman, oh so fine, with a carrot nose and eyes that shine. Their snowman stood tall, a sight to behold, a testament to patience, so we're told. Twinkle and Jingle, filled with glee, knew they could do it, just wait and see. And from that day on they sang a rhyme of patience and learning every time. With joy in their hearts they danced and twirled in their magical snowy world. So remember, dear friends, as you go on your way, patience and learning will save the day. Just like Twinkle and Jingle, you'll succeed in making your dreams come true indeed. The end.